God, check out my vlog, dog. What are you guys doing, fuckers?
Dropped out of college like fuck it. I need this shit by tomorrow. Just on this whole goddamn bottom and tell my little sisters I'm not a role model.
Just got to an exhaust shop. We're gonna try to do a Corsa catback and see how it sounds. Just change up the exhaust in the C7. So right now we have no muffler there, so we might put those mufflers on. Does anyone know what this is? I'm wondering if my diff is leaking or my trans is right here, so I don't know. That is the old X-pipe, and that is the new X-pipe. So we decided not to put these on. These are Corsa Extremes for a C7 Corvette, non-NPP. If anyone wants them, let us know. We'll let them go dirt cheap. They're like 1,600 meters, but we'll let them go cheap. We just don't need them. We like how it sounds now.